Hey everyone, I like before and after, so I try to do a few every year, and now it's the perfect time in September. On my front porch, I planted a couple baskets full of Wandering Jew, or to be more politically correct, Wandering Dude. Then, in concrete pots below, I have new variegated spider plants. The Wandering Jew baskets have two different varieties, a purple silver leaf and an olive green one called Tahitian Bridal Veil. I planted them all in May and I'm quite happy with the turnout. I might have to trim a bunch soon to save for next year. Thanks for watching this short video and I'll see you next time.